Hey guys, welcome to Bonus Wheel Spacers unofficial channel. I'm Grace. If you like our videos, please give it a thumb up and make sure to subscribe. In this video, let's talk about our 1.5-inch wheel spacers safe for off-road. Precise 0.02mm CNC machining make the wheel spacer fit better with the wheel hub assembly and wheel. Full-cone lug seat compared to popcorn seat, greater forks area and safer. The Knurling Design can expand the side which can hit dissipation contact area. Designed with disassembly grooves, easy to remove and install, improve work efficiency. The special design of this bonus active cooling wheel spacer is the petal-shaped grooves on the back. While cold air flowing, the heat of the braking system is taken away, thereby achieving the effect of active cooling, improving braking efficiency and reducing overheating of brakes. If you want to get the bonus wheel spacers, please make sure to see the link down on the description. Thanks for watching and have a great day.